Hi, in this video we're going to see how to generate our first simulation in VT Planner. First, we create the project. It will be saved with its name and description so we can come back to it whenever we need to. To generate our first result, we first need to enter the required data step by step, the building data we want to analyze, the elevator configuration type, and the type of analysis we want to run. We click on Configure Building to begin and enter the project data, the building type, the number of floors, and the basements, if any. We can assign a global floor height for all floors in the building or set the height for each floor individually. We do the same with the population. Even if we assign global values, we can always edit the fields for each individual floor later. Once everything is ready, we save it and continue. Now we create the elevator configuration we want to test. We can test a fixed configuration or simulate multiple configurations at the same time using compare variants. We give the elevator configuration a name and enter the required data. Number of elevators, capacity, elevator speed, acceleration, delays, door data, and passenger behavior. We can also configure a group that serves all floors or use zoning. In this case, we're going to create a group that serves all floors. We move forward and arrive at the analysis screen. Here, we first make sure that the elevator configuration we're going to test is the correct one. Now we select whether we want to run a calculation, a simulation, or a multi-run simulation. In this case, we'll run a simple simulation with an up-peak traffic profile and a duration of 60 minutes. We click Run Simulation and wait for the simulation to complete. Once it's ready, we can navigate through the results, review the most relevant averages, and explore the detailed simulation charts. We can review average waiting time, transit time, and journey time, or explore the charts with data segmented into 5-minute intervals and detailed simulation information. Finally, we can download the full report as a PDF. Thank you for watching. Visit vtplanner.com for more information.